morning everyone and welcome once again to a Wacky Wednesday. With the advent of Holi, the festival of colors or the burning of Holika, we say bye to winters and welcome summers. And with summers come the summer grain, the sorghum, the jowar, the zwari or the jow. Yes, dear friends, the cooling grain jowar. Yes, and this is becoming fast, the cool kid on world stage, the sorghum. Sorghum pops or sorghum or jowar when it is popped becomes like a mini pop, is becoming a world craze. But mind you, the jowar pops are called laya on the western side of India, have been with us for many centuries. In fact, they are a food of our gods. When I was a little girl, and in India little girls are worshipped as goddesses, my maternal aunt, my mommy, would call me over for puja, and in my little scarf or in my dupatta, she would put handful of layas. My little mind would explode in happiness. Ah, such tasty, yummy treat it was. Yes, dear friends, that is the laya. And jowar is becoming fast the superfood because it is truly healthy. It is a gluten-free option. Yes, it is full of soluble and non-soluble fiber. Need I say it reduces LDL, the bad cholesterol? Also, it has tannin, which decreases the absorption of starch and releases sugar slowly into the blood. So, friend of diabetics, right? Also, this grain is high in magnesium. Magnesium helps the absorption of calcium, and together magnesium and calcium help enhance your bone health. Not only that, they also help you increase the calcium or resettle the osteopenic bones, one of the key things that happens in menopause. Sorghum or jowar is also high in iron. Iron, it's actually high in copper. Copper helps the absorption of iron, and iron helps beat anemia. Don't you see now that when this laya was given to the young goddess, indirectly her anemia would go down, her bones would become strong, and it was a subtle way of telling the little girl to become stronger and healthier. Yes, dear friends, let us be innovative. Let's make the jowar pops of laya an inclusion in our diet. In India, during Diwali, we worship wealth on Lakshmi Pujan Day, and we make a nice vegan sweet from this. All that we do is add coconut milk to the laya or the jowar pops, then add some fresh grated coconut, add a bit of jaggery or raw sugar, mix it up together, and tada! You have a tasty, yummy vegan sweet which is ready for your consumption. Nowadays, the laya is also grind into a flour, the jowar pop atta or flour. And this is a great substitute for breakfast cereals. Even oats have gluten, jowar does not have. So try and replace your oats porridge with jowar porridge. You can make it sweet or you can make it savory. If you want to make it sweet, you add raw sugar. If you want to make it savory, you can add spices, herbs. You can even add a few vegetables. And yes, it really does taste yummy. Not only that, it is a great filler. So when you have it, you feel satiated even with a little amount. So those of you who are trying to battle the bulge or keep down your weight, this would be a great inclusion in your diet. Simply ground, the jowar or the sorghum flour can be made into pancakes or kneaded to make into rotis or chapatis, the flat bread of India, and they taste extremely good with garlic chutney. So this summer, do welcome jowar or re-welcome jowar back into your lives and be healthy, full of calcium, full of iron. Thank you and have great summers.